So today topic is polymer gears, the case study. First we see the morphological analysis. That means scanning electron microscope. The main purpose of SEM is used to identify the bonding and structure shapes we can find out. Suppose the material is we fill in unstrung, we can see, conduct the SEM test, we can identify the in-depth of blending of materials. Some material is forming or some material is bonding inside the structures, may be error. That is one of the reasons for the failure. So that purpose we conduct the morphological analysis. The main purpose of this morphological analysis in nylon 6 and glass fiber for the best blend or not blended inside the structures. In this case study, they are using the nylon 6 and glass fiber and nylon 6 with aramid fiber. They are mixing with the different ratios, and also they conducting the test by using the lathe machines, because the cost of testing gears, testing machines more than 1.5 lakhs. Okay, so that avoiding making that machines, they are conducting the running test by using lathe centers. These are the SEM machines. This is the structures of SEM structures. The first images, second images, we can identify the white color is nylon 6. This black color is forming glass fibers. The structures in 1.25x resolutions. Next, they conduct in the wear test. They are making the pin and disc of a material, running some hours, providing the 1 kg load, 2 kg load, 3 kg load to find out the different materials or strength identified. That purpose they are using the wear test. This is a initial weight glass fiber weight ratios 20-20, glass fiber ratio 30-30. They conducting the load 10 Newton to 40 Newton. Initial weight gram. Before conducting the test, they taking the weight of materials, final weight and volume loss after completing the test process. Okay, wear rate and CYF shown. This is a sample test gear. This conduct by using the lathe, small alterations, small modifications, change in inside the lathe in tumbler gear mechanism. So this is a drive gear. This is a rotated by this gears. We conduct the more than 10 lakh cycles. This is a sample gears, testing gear. Test rig cost is more than 1.5 lakhs. So avoiding making or arrange the test rig. So by simply using the identify the gear test results by using the lathe. Comparative the minimum cost compared with test rig. So we save the 1.5 lakhs. This is a torque maximum 2.5, 4.1, 7.0. This is a standard torque in the lathe. The lubricant dry conditions. PMC means polymer matrix composite gear, testing gear. Matting gear, steel gear, driving gear, steel gear, driving gear, steel gears. First of all, we taking the measurement of temperatures during the 2.5 Newton. So the maximum of reach in cycles, so 1.2 into 10 power cycles, the reach the maximum temperatures of both gears. Nylon 6 30% of gears reach the 34 temperatures, is 35 temperatures withstand. Next one is a 4.1, 45, 43 temperature reach. At the temperatures at both of 7.04 Newton, maximum 48, 46. The cycles into 10, 1 into 10 power 6 cycles. Temperature. Next, these are the different torque ratios of temperatures ranges. 2.5 the maximum 32. So 4.1 reach maximum 50. Minimum 50, 45 ranges. Finally conducted 10.7, it reached the 50 near 50 degrees Celsius. Measurement of wear depth by using the depth micrometers. Maximum after completing the 10 power 1.2 into 10 power cycle, it reached 0.08 wear. That means after completing the cycles, 10 power 6 cycle, 2.5 Newton, and at that conditions the machines wear of materials, nylon 6 gears and 80% weight and 70% of weight.